In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile avatar on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a fresh profile icon that makes it easier to spot the right browsing profile at a glance, especially if you juggle work, personal, or shared profiles on the same computer. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Everything we're doing happens right inside Brave. No extra downloads or add-ons needed. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current profile indicator there. It might be a small picture, a colored circle with a letter, or a generic silhouette. Click that profile icon to open the profile menu. In the menu that appears, choose Manage Brave Profiles. This takes you to a dedicated page that lists every profile set up in your browser. Each profile shows a name and an image so you can quickly tell them apart. This is also where you control key settings for each profile, which is handy if you use multiple profiles to keep bookmarks, extensions, and browsing history separate. Find the profile whose avatar you want to change. On that profile's card, click the three vertical dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. From the small menu that opens, select Edit. This brings up the profile's editing options. Now you'll see a selection of avatar icons provided by Brave. Browse through the available images and click the one you like. As soon as you click an avatar, Brave applies the change right away. There's no separate save button to hunt for. If you change your mind, just click a different icon and it will update instantly. You'll notice the new avatar reflected on the profile card and, shortly after, in the top right corner of the browser window where your profile icon lives. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your profile avatar in Brave. This small change can make a big difference when switching between profiles, helping you avoid opening the wrong set of bookmarks or settings. If you don't see the Manage Brave Profiles option, double-check that you clicked the profile icon in the top right of the main Brave window and that you're not in a special window type that hides certain controls. Keeping Brave up to date can also ensure the layout matches what you see here. Thanks for following along. With your new avatar in place, it should be faster and cleaner to recognize the right profile every time you open Brave.